Hello, my friends. On today's Stroll with Rosa, this is the Farmington Woods episode. So, have you ever wanted to live in a condo association that has 4 pools? That's right, you heard it. That has a golf course that is PGA certified, 18 holes, that has a pub, that has a restaurant, that has 7 tennis courts, paddleball courts. Well, you know what? This might be that luxury condo complex for you. And on our stroll with Rosa today, we are walking through this complex. There's over 375 units. These were built from about the 1970s to the late 1990s, and they were actually built by Otto Paparazzo. How's that a name for you? Now, as we walk through these, you're gonna see that there are garages galore here. There is some shade, which we're gonna find some spaces for that, and you're gonna see all the beautiful, beautiful landscaping that has been done throughout this complex. One of also the most important things is, if you know our stroll with Rosa, we are looking to get in our 10,000 steps, my friend. So if you are getting off that couch, getting off that chair, let's do it together. Let's do a walk. Let's do a stroll with Rosa and talk about Farmington Woods. Now, Farmington Woods is a very interesting complex because part of it's in Farmington, part of it's in Avon. I'm actually getting ready to show a few homes in this complex. Right now, there are 6 different properties or 6 different units available. They range anywhere from 331 to 565. Okay, so 331,000 to 565,000. And I'm going to give you some more of that real estate data as we walk through. So if you see here, one of the first places we are going to walk to are the tennis courts, the community garden, and of course Mallard Pool. All right, so we are walking along Mallard Drive right now, and we're walking towards the pool, towards the tennis courts. Absolutely beautiful complex, very, very well taken care of. The roofs are in great condition. The exteriors are in great condition. Many of these are built with their own separate sunroom, their own separate patio, right? And they're just absolutely beautiful. So if you know this area, you know how prestigious this area is. And it is beautiful. So over here to our left, right, this is Mallard Pool. Right, there's a beautiful in-ground pool over there, right, with a patio, deck area, and so forth. And then to my right here is the tennis court. All right. So what is some of the real estate data that you should know about Farmington Woods condominium complex? Well, first of all, I told you about some of the incredible amenities. I mean, there is everything here from a community garden to tennis courts. Like we said, there's 7 of them, to 4 pools, to a PGA certified 18-hole golf course, to a pub, to a restaurant. Chef Mario right now, he is the chef over there. All right. And I can tell you that if you are looking for easy living, maybe you don't want to deal with cutting the grass any longer. Maybe you want to get ready for this wonderful winter and make sure that you don't have to deal with the snow. Well, you can see here we have a nice little brook, a little stream kind of coming through here. Right? It's absolutely beautiful. What a gorgeous day as we do our stroll with Rosa. And today we are doing our Farmington Woods episode. Okay. Up here to my right is the community garden, and you see right here You know, they're telling you a little bit about some of the butterflies, the monarch way station. So there's milkweeds, nectar sources, and different shelters in there that that will help out the butterflies. It's a little bit breezy today, but thank God for that, because it has been pretty warm and the air has not been moving. All right, so right here it tells a little bit about the information. Farmington Woods Cooperative Garden. Be careful of the golf balls. All the different events that they might have throughout the year. Like example, they had a service day on June 1st. You know, they have a harvest evening. They're having a garden party on October 8th. There are so many beautiful opportunities to be able to connect with other people, to be able to visit with them, spend time, maybe even work in the garden with them, in the community garden. And what an absolutely beautiful garden this is. Your little garden entrance. All right, and take a look. I mean, they have everything from squash to zucchinis. Smelling some flowers, some tomatoes over here. I'm smelling some eggplant. How beautiful. So this, my friends and ladies, look at how those are going to come out beautiful. Those are tomato plants, right? And some peppers as well. All right, you look at this. If you have, maybe you go on vacation and you ask maybe a fellow unit owner to water your garden for you, they will do it. And what's nice about this community garden is that it overlooks the golf course. So there's a beautiful pond over here. All right, so let's talk a little bit as we're walking. Let's talk a little bit about some of the real estate data. So like I told you, there are 6 on the market right now. They average about $347,000, $346,000 per unit. Okay. There are also 9 of them currently under contract. And over the last 12 months, I take that back. Over the last 90 days, there have been 12 that have sold for an average of $392,000. Now, you have everything from a low $300,000 smaller 1-bedroom up to a $595,000 sale. So, you know, there's a about a $200,000 gap there. But if you average all those out, you're really talking about a price per square foot on average of about $220 per square foot. Okay, so of course there have been some that have sold for $317 a square foot. And there have been some that have sold for under $200 a square foot because they needed a little bit of work. So here's one of the holes here on the PGA certified golf course. All right, absolutely beautiful. And like I said, where we are right now is we're at the Mallard Pool. Okay, overlooking the tennis courts. There are a total of 7 tennis courts in Farmington Woods complex, condominium units. There are a total of 4 pools. And what's nice about this condo community is that it's secure, right? When I first drove in here, I had to talk with the security guard, a live person. He asked me where I was going, what was I doing, and I gave him my information. At the same time, I'm over here at the pool, and they do have a person here on staff watching the pool, which is nice as well. So if you want a place that you can feel comfortable, that you can trust, right? This might be that place for you. This might be an opportunity for you. to be able to relax and enjoy the finer things in life. Enjoy that golf. Enjoy the community garden. Enjoy the opportunity to not have to deal with the mowing and the weeds and that sort of thing. But still have some beautiful landscaping. Still have a beautiful little porch to sit on. Okay, still be able to do a little bit of grilling over here at Farmington Woods. And if you're like me, you will still be able to get your steps in, my friends. So on Stroll with Rosa here, as we continue to walk along, each step we're getting a little bit stronger. Each step we are burning another calorie or so. Right? Each step we are feeling more confident about being fit, feeling stronger. Maybe it's about our breathing, right? So if you don't see, I'm on a little bit of an uphill right now, and the breathing is a little bit harder, which is good because that way I know that I'm working my body, my friends. So I want to walk up this way with you. Again, we are on Mallard Drive, one of the main roads. Okay, and if I walk down here, just to give you an idea of what things look like, you can see that everybody pretty much has their own privacy, right? Which is really, really nice. Most people have their own garage, right? It's not attached, it's a detached garage. You might have a few styles of unit, depending on what style of unit you're looking at, that does have an attached garage. So like these are under the basement, the main living level garage, where these over here are not attached. Okay? And some people, what's beautiful about this is that some people have like a beautiful hidden little balcony, right? And there's all these little pathways everywhere you go, right? And all types of landscaping and such a relaxing atmosphere to be able to enjoy. Now, of course, these have central air units. As you can see, the roofs are in great condition. The wood exterior is in great condition. The pathways are lit, right? So you see the lighting over here and so forth. Some pathways, you have a beautiful stone wall. All right. It's such an absolutely gorgeous day. All right, there's someone going right into their garage. Look, a beautiful little sitting deck area over there. Okay, your mail is really close by you. And the other thing that I love about this area are the big skies, right? You know, you're not feeling like you're stuck in a valley. You're basically feeling like, wow, here I am. I get plenty of sunshine, plenty of natural light coming into my unit. I have ease of use, garbage receptacles, mailboxes, everything pretty much close by me. What a beautiful day for a stroll with Rosa here in Farmington Woods, which this condominium complex is in Farmington and in Avon. One of our goals as we walk this condominium complex is to get in our 10,000 steps a day. That's right, for the day. So you heard it, my friends. What do you mean, Rob? You're putting in 10,000 steps? You got it. I need to do it, right? I need to stay focused. I need to stay fit. We're on a little bit of an uphill incline here. We're looking up at the golf course, a PGA certified 18-hole golf course, professionally managed. That little breeze we're getting feels absolutely amazing. Like, look at these people right here. Their unit, they have a balcony overlooking part of the golf course. To my right. How beautiful is that? Look at how well manicured, well kept. Now, there are walking trails throughout this condominium complex. Little hiking trails as well. So year over year, the sales prices of these units are up at about 21%. So once again, and if you need to see this data, you want to talk about it, all you need to do, my friends, is call me and we can discuss. And I can show you on how the market here in central Connecticut. Now remember, we're probably only about 10 miles from Hartford. So this is still considered central Connecticut. And the market is still hot. The market has not slowed down. We are still selling homes for more than asking. Now, this particular complex, they're only selling, and I know this is only, but on average, for the last 90 days, they're selling about 2% more than asking price, which in some cases that's a little bit lower. But we are talking about 16 sales, right, over the last 90 days. Over here is visitor parking, not assigned, which is very nice, right? To my right over here is another 13 units off of Mallard Drive. All right. So on this stroll with Rosa, you're seeing all the different styles. Colors are a little bit different as well. Sometimes you're going to find a very, very tan units. Sometimes you're going to find a little bit darker brown. Sometimes you're going to find some gray ones, right? So there's all kinds of different units here. All right. So my friends, this is Rob Rosa. Hopefully your favorite real estate broker. Signing out. God bless you. And I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.